and I'm gonna see you again. Aww. Love you, Nash. Thank you. Kay Nick daw. May kay Nick daw meron. Ala, ba't di ko maka-order? Kiss it better, baby. Oh, wag na. Ay, wala palang signal. Nakita ko talaga. No. No. Ang daming gusto mag-chat ko. Ako na lang mismo na iyan. Ako nga dapat give back sa inyo kasi sobrang yung support nyo sa akin. Tapos sinend pala, no? Tapos ay rin. Di mabubusog na naman ako niyan. Guys, wait a minute ha. Let me order some foods. Hi, Ren Gax. Luna, order well. Nakapag-Singapore eh. Gusto kong kasi kumain para hanggang mamaya pa ako ulit. Tumagal naman tayo mag-live. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-live eh. Taros! Guys, padali ng food parang bukas siya lahat. Grabe na yun, Nash, thank you sa pagtambay kahit busy ka. Appreciate you. Just take it on back, just take it on back, babe. Take it back all night. Just take it on back, take it on back. Ooh, do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night, all night. Hurting back, when I look you in your eyes. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it, that. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it better, baby. What are you willing to do? Oh, tell me what you're willing to do. Kiss it better, baby. What are you willing to do? Hi, Smoke. Mana, nag-order na. Alam mo, may dumating sa akin this same set ng pearl katulad sa'yo. Ate, nakalimutin ko siyang dalhin sa SJ. Yung earring. Pag nag-live ako, i-flex ko talaga yun. Susuotin ko lahat. Yung red. Yung earrings. Yung eyeglass. Lahat. Sa isang live ko, promise. Sam, hello. Wait lang, guys. The BBM. True. Oh, yeah. Grabe
Grabe ka talaga, Obs. Di pa ako nakakabawi sa'yo. Di pa nga tayo nag-meet eh. Kaya lojong ko. Vince! Baka next year ulit, no? Repeat and reminisce you. I don't get the issue of being not you, baby. When it all comes out, I'm still up waiting, wasting my breath. Don't ever get past out of my impatience. Used to you, I don't know if I can repent, but I bet you're too upset to even notice. I've been trying hard to keep it slowly. You wouldn't mind if I rewind it. Shit got me. Wala, isip naman tayo. Wait lang. Ang sakit ng mata ko sa ilaw. Isa sa reason kung bakit sumasakit yung mata ko kasi yung ilaw dito. Maldita. Okay. It won't stop. Alam mo, magandang song. Mag-request nga kayo. Alam mo, wala na talaga ako. Hindi ko maisip pag ano. Sobrang hina ng ano ko. Pagdating sa mga ganyan. Singer ako pero ang hina ng utak ko pagdating sa ganyan. Take me home. Bulag, pipi at bingi. Sige nga, ano ba yun? Yun ba yung nabaligi? Walang hanggan. Yun ba yun? Sige nga. Trouble is a friend. Terrified, sige. Alam yung... Ay, take that. For the habol ka? Madilim ang iyong paligid, ating gabi walang hanggan. Anyo at kulay ng mundo sa'yo pinagkaitan. Huwag mo ba, kaibigan, isinilang naman niya isang bulag sa kamuluhan. Ligtas ka sa kasalanan. Hi, Nick! Wala kasi nag-PK kami kanina nila Leia at saka nila Edmark. Kasama ka sana namin kasi busy ka ata. Ingat, Nick. Sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Next time. Di makita, di marinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. I'm okay po, medyo busy lang. Ibigin mo mang umawit, hindi mo makuhang gawin. Sigaw ng puso't damdamin, wala sa'yong pumapansin. Sampung daliri, kaibigan, dyan kanila pakikinggan. Pipi ka man na isinila, dakila ka
sa sino man. Andito si Eris. Di nalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa aming nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di madinig, minsa'y nauutang patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. Lovely! Thank you! Sa'yo ang musika, sa'yo ba'y mahalaga? Matahimik mong paligid, awitan ay di madinig. Mapalad ka, kaibigan, napakaingay ng mundo. Sa isang pingin katulad mo, walang daing, walang gulo. Inalalayo sa'yo ang tunay na mundo. Marami sa amin nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di madinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad ng buhay na banal. Marami sa aming nabubuhay ng tulad mo. Di makita, di madinig, minsa'y nauutan patungo sa hinahangad na buhay na banal. Banal. Oo nga no, ganda nga ng song. Buti may nag-request nito. Hindi ko ito masyadong kinakanta kasi wala nag-request eh. Sakit ng ano ko. Sakit ng, ano tawag dito? Yung balakang. For the pain. Thank you, the boss. Pain na lang.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated.
Kaya mo yung falling in love. Sino pong komento nun? Thank you po.
Covers PH. Covers PH.
Unholy. Hindi ko pa na ano yun. Naaral yun. Tamad po mag-aral yun. Sobrang busy. Naglalagay ng kolorete sa aking mukha. Thank you, Sir Matt. Para di nila malaman ang tunay na naganap na ikaw at ako ay hindi na. Thank you, I'm the boss. Ining sa'yo pang mga ngiti para di halata. Damdamin ko'y pinipigil sa loob umiiyak dahil ikaw at ako ay hindi na. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako this one sa lahat ng mga broken hearted. Madami pang broken hearted ngayon. Paano ko sasabihin sa mga kaibigan ko kung ako rin ang sisisi? Ba't ka mo nabubulol na ikaw at ako ay wala na? Love you, Ate Jen! At ang hirap magpapanggo pa ba ako na ako ay masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata ay mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Di ba? Saan ba ko nagkamali? Di ko maintindihan. Kung sino pang nagmamahal, siya pang naiiwan. Sa mga nakaka-relate dyan, iiyak nyo lang yan. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako'y masaya kahit ang totoo ay talagang wala ka na. At kung bukas pagmulat ng aking mata ay mahal ka ng iba, wala na akong magagawa. Thank you, Maestro. Okay lang yung tunog ko, hindi po ba siya basag? I mean yung microphone sa inyo, pag survey lang, survey. Gusto ko magtulas lonely people. Ay, batang aplop. Okay lang, sige. I was down my dreams, quivering thin. When you're lost, where do you begin? Thank you. My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smiled and I reached for you. I could tell you were lonely too. Pasok ko doon. One look and then it all begun for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Di ko alam yun. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what I might have missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed still, I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true, I know, 'cause here we are. Two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, somehow. 'Cause baby love is here and now. There's 2 less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people, 11, make a wish. Believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something finally went right. Now there's 2 less lonely people in the world tonight. Oh, I just can't believe you're mine. Something finally went right. Now there's 2 less lonely people. 2 less lonely people. 2 less lonely people in the world tonight. 2 less lonely people in the world. Wish one was living one. Thank you. Let applause. Maraming salamat.
Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated.
Not feeling well. Michael Joe. Thank you, Pin.
Covers
Refogs.
PH.
Next song is Saving All My Love. Ano ba? Hindi ko po alam yun, yung Falling in Love. For you look happy and Hello. Okay, check ko lang yung aking grab food. Tagal naman, 11:40 pa. Mark Bacoyalo. Leia. Sige po, Unholy. Hindi ko pa alam yung Unholy. Thank you. With the Unholy. Paano ba to? Vanalo. Hindi ko talaga alam. Hello po, who was that? Try lang, practice lang, practice. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Ay. Teka lang. Wait lang take 2 Yan pala humina. You're welcome. Thank you. Dimplay mini ko lang po.
电量低，请给波巴充电。
Lucky girl, she got married to a boy like you. She'd kick you out if she ever knew about all the tell me that you do. Dirty, dirty boy, you know I'm talking on the restlessly. Bobby don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while you're jumping in. Should be popping it, should be put it down slowly. Oh, she left his skis at get that. Mommy don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Daddy, daddy, if you want a chocolate addict, love, give me fat in my Balenciaga. Daddy, you can need to bug it up, 'cause I'm spending all it already on. I'll be coming down. Para ka naman ngungo. Honey, baby, 'cause the drama when we did it. Hey, baby. Bobby don't know that he's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. He sat back while she jumping in. Should be popping it, should be put it down slowly. Oh, we go. He left his kids at we go. He can let it now. Mommy don't know that it's getting hot at the body shop, doing something unholy. Go. Ay, tapos na pala. Thank you! Okay, next song is... Ang ganda ng song. Ngayon ko lang siya na-appreciate. I'm the boss. Hello. Okay, next song. Parang gusto ko mag-Katy Perry. Katy Perry... Okay. Azanaya... The Real B ko, hindi ko po alam yung... You change my... Clarity. If I love... Let's it you. Okay lang kayo. Press 1 nga sa mga nandyan. Kaya kayo, no? Paano pag naaral ko po talaga yun? Maganda yung song na yun. Leon, hello. Nagutom na ako. I'm just waiting for my pizza. Sponsored by Ate Jean and Abs. Nick! Love story. Ayun na lang, love story na lang. Nick, welcome back, Nick. Where have you been for the whole month? I'm so busy po. December. Taas pala to? I dive in the frozen waves where the past comes back to life. Edward. Fight fear for the selfish pain, it was worth it every time. Hold still right before we crash, 'cause we both know how this ends. The clock ticks till it breaks your glass, that it drowning you again. You are a piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, think you still find it. I don't know why. Thank you, Luis Martina. If I love eternity, why are you my calamity? Yeah, ID number. Let's go. Thank you, Zeng. Check. Hindi ba malakas? Thank you, Chrisrel. Walk on through red parade, refuse to make amends. Cuts deep through a grind and make us forget all common sense. Don't speak as I try to leave, cause we both know what we'll choose. If you pull, then I'll push too deep and I'll fall right back to you. Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love insanity, why are you my clarity? Come on, party people! It's so pretty, everyone! Daniela, hi Danielle! I'm done singing. Always remember us. You my clarity. Woo! Hey! Come on! Hi, Bibili! Hi, why are you my remedy? Why are you my clarity? If our love is tragedy, why are you my remedy? If our love is sanity, why are you my clarity? Thank you. Thank you po, Naruto. Okay lang mag-ingay ako. Nag-iingay naman po ang inyong hosts. Thank you, Maestro. Bambi, thank you. Wait ba ito? Wait lang. Yes po, Bisaya. Bisaya, kaayon na po. Okay lang kayo, nag-enjoy naman po bang lahat? Naku, kailangan ng audience participation dito. Press 1 sa lahat ng mga nakikinig ngayong gabi. Ancho! We were 1,000 miles to comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would wait forever, exalted in the sea. So as long as I am with you, my heart continues to beat. Come on! Woo! With every step we take, heel to the base, rolling so casually. Put your feet in the same, give you another name, switch up the battery. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Though with all of your help, you can shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Stuck out in a mission to city. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. Woo! With every step we take, get it to the base, rolling so casually. We're different and the same. Give you another name to switch out that battery. Yeah. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Knowing all of your love, you can save me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Yeah. Skyscraper. Intro. Para saktong dating ng pagkain. Yeah. If you give me a chance, I would take. It's a shot. Yung ino. I make it. Though with all of your love, you can save me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. No place I'd rather be. No, 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 no. Hey, no. Bakit? When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be. Thank you. Nakita mo, Ibi? For the year? Kaya nga, oo. Sabi ko talaga kanina, uy, bakit ganyan siya? We belong together. Sinong kumanta nun? Kaya nga, Lay. Oh, selos naman. Sabihin mo, Lay, ikaw lang sapat na. I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked to you as it fell. Now you're in my way. I traded softball, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing, hot night windows blow. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my answer, 9 to 1. It's hard to look back at your baby, but here's my number, so call me baby. Hey, I just met you. Di ko kinakanta yun. So call me maybe, and all the other boys. Oh yeah, so call me maybe. So 9 to 1, 2 1 to 1, 2 1 to 1. You took your time, let it fall. It took my time. Nick, andiyan ka pa pala, Nick. But still you're in my way. I beg and borrow and steal. At first sight when it's real, I didn't know how it would feel. Now you're in my way. Your steer is holding. Hot night windows blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby. Kamusta ka na, Nick? Leia pala. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe, and all the other boys. So call me maybe, before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. Leia, so bad. I miss you so, so bad. Before you came into my life, I missed you so bad. Woo! I miss you daw. Hindi, kinikilig ako para kay Leia. Ay naman siya. Hard to look back at your baby, but here's my number, so call me baby. Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, Shot puno. Ami Sawadia, I miss you, Leia. Wala, chismis naman. Ay, gusto ko itong mga Taylor Swift para pa-cutie-cutie mo. I miss si Ate Emmy. Ay, si Leia, di mo naman miss. Anong gusto mo? Ano? Thank you, Angel. Nangangamba? Ay, sige, wait lang. For the record. No, sige, kilik. Alam ko yun, Nangangamba. Okay lang po. Kaya pala blooming ka ngayon na in love. Bakit so haggard pala ako minsan? Hapon haggard pala ako. Hindi ako in love. Hello, Miss Jake na malakas. Okay, I would like to dedicate this song to Leia. Kasi may pinagdedicatean din po siya nito. Jake! Kanyang! Ano ba to? Ayoko na dito. Wait lang. Take two. I have a friend. Thank you, Jake. Okay, take two. Oh my God, si Pangamba ka naman. Nangangamba ang puso, hindi ka sigurado. Ay, hindi pa sigurado? Nalilito ang iyong utak kung tunay bang pag-ibig to. Relate na relate For the shock siya. Ano ba ang problema mo? Sabihin ng totoo. Sabihin mo na at nararamdaman mo ni Galano, kundi ba ay nadulas tuloy. Gusto, baka kasi mawala na ako. Nagulat ka nung may kasama na akong iba. Amay ko, pambilang buhay ito. Pakipot ka, huwag nang pakipot pa, baka maagaw pa ng iba. Bilisan mo na, maagawan ka pa eh. Wala nang magbabago kung di mo pa mininto. Sabihin mo na nilalaman ang puso ko at nararamdaman nito kung di pa aminin ang gusto. Baka kasi mawala na ako. May nag-message sa akin, sabi, naagawan na nga eh. Uy! Hindi ka magre-reveal. Aray ko. Nang totoo, wag ka nang sabihin ng totoo. Sabihin mo na ilaman ang puso ni Leia at nararamdaman nito. Magre-reveal ako pag sinecond box niyo ako. Promise, reveal talaga to. Totoo to. Nilalang kasi mawala na ako. Kaya kayo, pag may gusto kayo sa isang tao, aminin niyo na. Kasi malay niyo, maunahan pa kayo ng iba. Okay. Mawala ka. Ikaw, Kiara, mawala. Ano? Wala na guys, finish na, di ba? Huwag niyong sayangin yung pagkakataon na andyan sa inyo. Yung taong gusto niyo. Kasi pag nawala yun, it's a big, big sayang. Uy! Kasi, what if? Pinagtagpo na kayo ni Lord, pero pinili mong lumayo sa Kanya kasi hindi pwede. Malay mo ngayon yung perfect timing. Ay, hindi mag-perfect timing din. Ay, nako, sakit na ng balakang ko. Huwag ka na mawala sa akin, please. Wala mapapahinga sa pamilyang to. Wala pang alas 12. Ang pagkain ko kasi, for the hungry. Sana matagal ka pa sa live, idol. Bakit? Huwag ka mawawala. Pinapaparingan ka. Para sa akin. 11:40. Ay, 11:55 pa. Kala po rin mga ka-idol. Yung tawa talaga. Wait lang. Kailangan kong kumain ng pizza. Pampa-energize. Okay lang kayo dyan. Tulog na tatong ibang mga nanonood ngayon eh. Sobrang dami niya talaga nanonood sa akin. Huwag kayo dyan. Ayun. Hi, Tux. Ang galing ng Jopay, no? Kasi nandahil lang sa TikTok na siya ulit, nabuhay ulit yung Jopay, no? Iba talaga ang power ng TikTok. As in. Diba? Hindi ako okay. Sakit ng kay balakang ko. Kanta ako. Mamaya ulit. Go, Lea! Matulog ka na. Huy! Good night ka na dyan. Love you. Baka siguro, try ko hanggang 1. May ganap ba bukas? 11, 12. Kumpas by Moira. Wait lang po. Good night, Le! Love you. Aga matulog, Wala pa broken-hearted na maaga natutulog. Hindi. Charot lang. Nakita ko sa niya pa in person. Final answer. Final answer. Ay, hindi ba? Sorry. Explain ka?
Sa tunay na mundo,
dadalhin kita sa... Hindi yan. Bakit ngayon ka lang naman nag-live naman ganda? Kasi na-busy po ako. Unsaya? Sa mukha lagi Kiara. Unsaya? Ambot lang. Kaya nga, ang saya ng puso ko, no? Sana all. Jason. Nanood ba kayo ng ng gala? Wala naman, di ba? Hindi kayo nanood. Okay lang. Ano naman talaga.
Lagi kang naghihinala. Sabi ko hindi na tama.
Ano ba sabi niya?
Ikaw yung may ginagawa. Kala mo hindi ko malala. Ang sikreto lalabas pagkatagal.
I-rate the stars ulit. Naumay na nga din ako. Kakapakinig eh. Kakakinig.
Kasi kinakalat mo na ako yung nagloko.
Ang ganda ng kantang to, no?
Eh kaso lang ngayon
Eduardo.
malaman na yung totoo. Patay ka dyan.
Bigla ko ka rin naman. Di ka lang nahuli. Pero bakit sa'kin wala di sinisisi? Madami kang kakulangan. Alam mo sa'yo sarili. Di ko kasalanan kung hindi ka nanatili.
Kaya wag mo akong sisihin, di ako ikaw ang siyang
Pangit lang ng ano dun. Ang pangit ng ang tunog dun. Unlike sa gala sa dito sa Pilipinas, pagkakanta ka, sobrang sarap kumanta kasi ang ganda ng ng sounds. Doon, Diyos ko! Na hindi mo marinig yung boses mo.
kinukwento para lang magmukhang mabait sa tao.
Narito, andyan pa si Nick. Kanina nag-live ata si Nick. Blanche, hello. Bianca ba yun, Bianca? Thank you.
Kasi
Pahinga muna ako guys, sumasakit yung balakang. Kaya nga. Pero sa okay lang naman yung volume doon. Alay! Yung volume sa live. Sa live, mahina. Di ka lang nahuli. Pero bakit sa'kin wala? Tsaka walang reverb. Ang hirap kumanta. Alam mo sa'yo sarili.
di ko kasalanan kung hindi ka nanatili.
Berna.
Kung sisihin, di ako ikaw ang
Mamaya pa ako magpapahinga. Ano pa, mga one? Char! It depends. Malalaman natin yan pag after kong kumain ng pizza. Ang ganda ng song. Pwede ulitin? Gusto ko yung mga gantong vibes.
Sabi ko hindi na tama. Yun pala ikaw yung may ginagawa. Kala mo hindi ko malalaman. Ang sikreto lalabas pag
Tao kami nini.
so mali yung kinukwento mo at
Nagwali pa mo. Hindi na kami uuwi kami ng Jensen sa March. Pwede na kami umuwi dun.
tama ba yan?
Talia.
Eh kaso lang ngayon malalaman na yung totoo.
Kasi naglako ka rin naman. Di ka lang nahuli.
Pero bakit sa'kin mo lahat isinisisi?
Madami kang kakulangan. Alam mo sa'yo sarili.
Di ko kasalanan kung hindi ka nanatili.
电量低，请给波巴充电
Di。ko kasalanan kasi ikaw ang siyang nagkulang. Wala akong kasalanan, huwag mo kong paratangan. Dami mong iniimbento, puro lang mali yung ikinukwento. Para lang magmukhang
Or natagal naman ang ating food.
Hindi mo na pauwi yung tinatago. Hoy, teka lang, huwag ka nang magmalinis. Alam mo din kung ano ay tiniis.
Lihog ko sa
Kamalit yun ang gagawin mong dahilan para
sa Grab. Bayad na to.
Kinakalat mo na ako yung nagloko. Tama ba yan?
Kausapin niyo muna ako.
Ngayon malalaman
Bukas mag-iiba ako ng setup. Gusto ko exciting ulit. Naglako ka rin naman. Di ka lang nahuli. Pero bakit sa akin wala? Ang tanga. Sa live ay iingon ba? Kasi for the kinig yan sila mama sa baba. Pili. Papadala na ba kami ng pizza? Akin na. Kamusta naman sa Singapore? Okay lang, magastos nga lang. Pag-asa ka pa. Boss Brits, Cavite po. Tamang kinig-kinig yan sila. Kahit sure na hindi mo huli, never ko naisip nagloko. Ay, mas makita din kita. Ano daw? Funny years and Hi, Mr. Private. Oh, thank you. See you soon. March, uwi kami ng Jensen. Lazzy, hello. Dayang-dayang song. Grabe, ang sakit ng ano ko. Ano ba Tagalog sa ano? Ay, nagmamanhid pala. Parang ngut-ngut, good-ngut-ngut. Mikay, hello. Hindi ko maintindihan ang iyong mga tingin. Labis ang mga ringin. Bumababa. Kaya alam kayo na yun dyan san ma'am. Dito wala si Adi. Ay, wait. Ano ka? Land trip, no. Airplane na. Nakailangan pa. Ay, private. Hindi ako makapag-follow back mo yun. Ano ba yung main account mo? Nakanta ko na po yung atang hirap ano. Huwag ka na ang puso maniwala na. Davao? Ano, magka-event ulit kami sa Davao. Hi, Cooks.
Paglalambing ako ay
Nahulog din, di ko alam kung ano
ang gagawin.
Karako ang gamay ha. Ay, nakuha na ba ang pizza? Hala! Wala na. Hiling ko nakatulog to sila mama. Yeah, pizza sa baba. Tulog na mga first sons. Kanina pa to.
Nakailangan pa magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iniibig. At kung di kumbinsido'y magtiwala ka.
Tulog ba si mama? Hello, paging Ayin Conjurado. Judeline Conjurado, paging.
Ikaw lang ang iibigin. Sinta.
Freya. Paging Ayin Conjurado. Paano mag-download? Download ka sa Play Store. Paging Judeline Conjurado. Ang Grab nasa baba na. Ay, walang sumasagot. Walang nanonood ng live. Tulog na ata ito. Alam, buong pamilya hindi online. Ako ata yung kukuha dun. Ayan, okay na. Karako ang gamay. Ibigin. Taxi. La 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 la. unscripted, for request and terrified. Sige po, standby lang po muna. I need to like eat my snacks. No. Hi sis, Noko, hello, Rad, hello.
Sinta.
Rad! O, matulog na kayo dyan. Kahit sandali. Pahinga po agad pagtapos. Ba't ka concerned sa akin? Parang may lang. Angelo! Pag talaga. Tapos siya ng... Hello guys. Pag talaga. Iyak ka talaga. Pahinga. Guys, let's eat. Thank you, Ate Jen. Abs, thank you so much sa pa-pizza. Si hungry naman. Sarap.
Kahit pa tayo'y nasa sulok, di ka pa rin magpapasuyo. Konting pilit pa ba ang kailangan? O sadyang di ako ang gusto? Konting silip
Mukbang na naman eh, no?
naman sa'yo ang mawabuhay. Dahan-dahan ang ihiga ang kagawan ng iyong malamang
Thank you, kain po.
isa. Halika na, di kailangang pilitin dahil para sa akin ika'y mahalaga. Ika'y mahalaga.
Nga. Gusto si... Yummy! Ala, gusto ko din. Oo, nahanap na si Aries. Pero nagka-problem siya. Like, hindi niya kami nakilala. Nagka-ano siya, PSTD. PTSD. Ano naman yun? As in. Na-trauma kasi siya. Hindi niya alam paano mag-poop. Hindi niya alam paano... Basta pag nilalambing ko siya, hindi na siya ganun gaya ng dati. 1 week. 1 week kasi siya nawala. Saan po pumunta? Doon din. Kasi nga, di ba sabi ko, ano yon? Nadala siya doon sa sasakyan. Tapos doon sa labas ng subdivision.
Ko na nadiligan
May nakakita sa kanya, pumasok doon sa bahay nila.
yung pagmamahal ay
Yun, tinawagan nila si Papa. As in, ibang-iba siya sa Aries ko dati.
lahat ng di nadamdam. Ang tangi kong
Kasi si Aries nagpapalambing sa akin yun eh, sobra.
ang iyong mga
Tapos pag nilalagay ko dito sa ano ko, oo, yung reward binigay namin.
salita.
Pag pinapahiga ko yung si Eris ngayon, ayaw nyo. Tapos nag-iba yung boses nyo.
Sumandal ka
Hello, Kazeyo. Happy birthday. Anong song? Good night, good boy.
aking paglaruan. Apoy ng iyong labi para lumay.
Kaya nga eh.
Binibining natutulog
Isip nga namin baka hindi si Eris yun.
aking mga ulaklak.
Pero ako, kilala ko yung pusa ko eh.
Ligayang
Ito siya, ito. Eris.
hatimuya
Pag tinatawag ko siya sa pangalan niya, iba no.
sa natira.
Hindi siya nakikinig.
Alaalang di kumupas at kahit na ipilit ko mang ibalik pa ang dati tayo.
O kayo maghusga. Siya ba hindi?
Tahan na
Siya ba hindi?
sumandal ka. Hayaan mo na aking paglaruan. Apoy ng iyong labi para lumay. Ilang araw na
Kamukha niyo ba?
nakahiga. Iluyan ang abang ako'y ang lilisan. Kahit saglit pa
Parang hindi. Walang niya kayo. Ano din kayo eh, no? Oo, yung mata. Nag-ano yung mata niya na ganyan. Nag-loose yung mata niya. Stress nga kasi. Pinaano namin kanina dun sa... Tawag ko sa inano nila mama. Pag ginay ng war siya nila. Pag nila ng upuan siya. Pero ano... Pero si Eris talaga to. Wala eh. Tsaka nung nawala siya, wala siyang color. Kaya yun yung mahirap. Basta nag-iba. Tapos, yung ano niya, yung buntot niya. Feeling ko nga ano na siya eh. Basta. Chris! Hi, Chris! Tsaka natatanggal yung balahibo niya. Oo, lagay ni Ate Iris. Baka na iba siya. Feeling ko nga natanggal yung mga balahibo. Sa stress kasi yun. Yung sabi nila na stress nga to talaga. Tapos sobrang namayat siya. Namayat na siya. Tapos yung tiyan niya nag-iba na. May 1 week kaya siya nasa labas. Tapos that time wala kami. Nasa SG kami noon. Sila papa talaga naghanap dito. Naglagay ng mga posters. 1 week ba naman? Diyos ko po sa 1 week. Tapos that time, sobrang umuulan. Di ba laging umuulan? Sino nakakita? Taga dun din, sa bahay nila. As in, kahit mo si Ivana, hi cool dudes. Sa bahay na pumasok daw si Aries. What's your favorite pizza? 4 cheese. 4 cheese pizza. Thanks, Chris. Wala nga din ako magawa nung nasa Singapore ako. Wala akong magawa. Puro share na lang ako. Thank you. Share na lang ako ng post ko. Thank you. Really? I should try that. You gonna treat me there? Paano nakalabas ng bahay niyo? Nakalabas siya ng madaling araw, 2:00. Tapos hindi na napansin. Hindi na siya marunong pumasok ng bahay. Nag-ano na siya, nakita namin sa CCTV as in, kawawang-kawawa siya. Tapos pinapaligiran siya ng mga pusa, ng mga puspin. Okay, go, just send me. Tapos, noong umaga, 8:00 ng umaga, pumunta siya sa ilalim ng sasakyan. Di ba may ano doon? Ganunan para makapagtambayan ng mga pusa. Doon, si Papa na malengke. Namalengke si Papa, dun siya na nawala. Diba? Pero, si Aries naman kasi talaga to. Alam ko si Aries to. Ramdam ko. Pero ang bait din ni Lord, no? Kasi, alam naman natin na may-ari talaga na pusa na hindi na nila nakikita yung pusa nila. Diba? Noong una, duda-duda talaga ako kasi nag-iba talaga yung mata niya. Oo, nag-iba, no? Parang super stressed, super tired siya as in. Pero si Aries talaga ramdam. Kung hindi, awawa naman yung totoong Aries. Ano niya, yung mukha. Pero alam ko pati yung ipin niya, alam ko yun. Babae. Ang bait talaga ni Lord kasi alam nyo, sabi ko talaga ng birthday ko mismo, sabi ko, wala akong ibang hinihiling sa birthday ko kundi makita lang yung pusa. Mismong January 8, nakita si Aries. Ang bait. I mean, God is good talaga. Pinami. Oo, mararamdaman mo naman kasi talaga yun. Mga kapatid ko, hindi nila ramdam. Sabi nila, hindi yan si Aries, hindi yan si Aries. Ako, ramdam ko. Nag-iba lang talaga siya kasi na-stress. Mga kapatid na yun eh. Lahat ng pizza, thank you, Abs. Kaya nga, baka nga inawit. Di pa naman to sanay sa labas. As in, kahit nga may mga tao dito sa bahay, nagtatago yan kasi natatakot. Sobra. Kanjo. Ana. Hindi siya sanay sa labas. Init kasi siya eh. Yan, salong. Isipin mo, umuulan pa nun na. Saan kaya siya sumisilong? Parang... Jesus! Luis! Hi, Luis! How are you? Are you tired today? Because you had rehearsals, right? Wow, you're here! A bit tired. You should sleep. You should sleep now. Hi, Ika. Watch a bit first. Okay, I will sing for you later, okay? After I eat pizza. Guys, ayun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na pogi, oh. Yung staff na pogi doon sa gala. Ha? Pumunta siya dito, guys. Ang ganda-ganda ko. Hi, Jetson. Wala na pala akong tubig. Happy New Year, ah! What? What do you mean? I don't understand. Sasako, hello.
Siguro may wala nang
Inintindi ko eh, no?
Mga sinulat mo na para sa
New Year, boss!
alam kong luha ang bumupura, ngunit hayaan mo na lang. Walang saysay ang panalangin mo, kundi ako ang hahanapin.
Ay na. Ay, binilang ng stroke.
Kahit sigaw pa ang pagsama
Thank you.
ko sa'yo, bakit di mo dama to? Ba't ba paalala di rin naman?
I'm so full. Okay, back, salo. Detrix!
Ipipilit kong di naman tayo ang para sa isa't isa. Di ba sinta tayo? Dalawa lang noon para sa isa't isa. Ba't di sumang-ayon
Lipstick tsaka blush on eh, no?
sa atin?
Double purpose kasi siya.
Para sa isa't isa.
Achilo!
Masinta tayo. Dalawa lang noon para sa
Isa.
isa. Ba't di
Dos! Dos! Miss you, Dos! Terrified? Parang gusto ko muna eh. Mag-angel baby nga muna tayo. Dos, kamusta ka na? See you, Luis! Have a good night. You should rest now because, you know, you're so tired today. Dos, kamusta ka na, Dos? Di mo ba ako namimiss, Dos? Kung namimiss mo ako, Dos, magparamdam ka naman. Okay na. Jensen po.
I need a lover to come and say, pull me from hell, bring me back again. Play me the classics, something romantic. Give my all and I don't even have to thank you. I always dream of a song that felt younger. On a holiday, down pieces, fully believe it. 'Cause I don't think that I lost a feeling. You came out the blue on a rainy night. All I tell you how almost died, but you bringing me back to life. I just wanna live in this moment forever. 'Cause I'm afraid of leaving couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever.
Shout out po, happy birthday, Colonel! Hi, Colonel! Happy birthday po!
You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby, you're my angel.
Dos, ba't din ka lang nagparamdam dito sa live?
Tell me a secret, baby, I'll keep it. Baby, we can play house forever. You came out the blue on a rainy night. All I tell you how I almost died. Will you bringing me back to life? I just wanna live in this moment forever.
Ang dami ko si...
'Cause I'm afraid of leaving couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever. And
until we give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my 1 a.m. angel baby. Francine, thank you. Apple, thank you. Kuzma. I just wanna live this moment forever, 'cause I'm afraid leaving couldn't get any better. Started giving up on the word forever, until you give up heaven so we could be together. You're my angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel, angel baby, angel, angel baby, angel. You're my angel baby, baby. You're my angel. Hello, Francine! Pwede recharge ka naman. Thank you. And happy birthday kay makakalimutin eh, no? Video RD, hello. Wait lang guys, ha? Hoy, Stargazer! Django! Ang ganda ng version na to. Mas hyper. Kapitbahay namin chismosa. Kernel, happy birthday ulit po. You're welcome. Salamat din. Pansinan kay Kernel. Hindi ka naman nagpakita sa akin. Hi, Mini! Looking at a blue and rainy night. Oh, si beautiful princess dress. Aww, thank you. Look mo sana balibag. Alam mo naman, matlaki. Ang ganda ng version. I love it. Mini, hello. Janko, thank you, Janko. Ito si Janko, gusto ko na rin tumamit. Sana soon, hopefully. Okay, someone requested a song. If you're still here, yes. You by the light is the greatest find in a world full of wrong. You're the thing that's right. Find me through the lonely to the other side. Thank you so much, Marie. Said it again, my heart in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm at the edge of my emotions, watching the shadows burning in the dark. And I'm terrified for the first time and the last time, and my own was really light. This could be good, so many better than that. And nothing's worse than knowing you're holding back. I could be all that you need if you let me try. Said it again, my heart in motion. Every word feels like a shooting star. I'm watching the shadows burn in the dark, and I am in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own deed. I only said it 'cause I mean it. I only mean it 'cause it's true. So don't you doubt that I've been dreaming, 'cause it fills me up and holds me close. Will never run without you. Si init ulo naman. Emotions, every world feels like a shooting star, watching the shadows burning in the dark, and I am in love, and I'm terrified for the first time and the last time in my own deed. Thank you. Hi, Prince! Nestle alert. Adrian, tumambay ka na dito para masarap. Puro ka ganyan. Tapos na po yung California King Bell. Hi, Prince! Para sa mga masarap, para masarap yung tulog nyo. Pindot! Guys, di mga pag-follow back mo po yung following ko, babawi ako, promise. I had a feeling that puno kasi yung following, guys. Babawi ako po. Ano daw sabi? Happy years again. I had a feeling holding my heart, and I know that this is true. You wouldn't let me broken apart, 'cause it's much too dear to you. Forever we'll be together, no one can break us apart. Our love will truly be a wonderful smile in your heart. Yes, consistency. When the night comes and I'm keeping your heart, how I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. Go yon. You're a sweet and a lover. We are so much so in love. Not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You're brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? But maybe just a smile in your heart. Always dreaming, being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I had for you. I pray that you wouldn't leave me. Stand by. Whatever may come along, but if you do, I won't feel so bad. just give me a smile and your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Baby, just a smile and you brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Baby, just a smiling in your heart. Baby, a smile in your heart. Thank you so much. Marilo! Ano daw sabi? Happier. So guys, standby lang po sa mga may request guys ha. Okay. Okay kayo. Ang ingay mo naman siya. Wala bang admin ngayon? Tulog ba? Maghahanap ako ng bagong admin. Kasi busy ata mga admin ko. Pwede pa mag-request. Anjay, pwede talaga pag ikaw. Ano yun, Anjay? Anong song? Siyempre, ano muna? Siyempre, ama ka na siyang ariwan. Namit mo nga yan. Especially for you. Gusto mo ba? Sige, pwede after nito. Diyan pala seryoon eh. For the smell ka lang dyan. Sige, after ito. Nag-smell lang eh. Go, your friends of mine. You know, I know you moved on someone new. One more girl brings out the better in you. And I thought my heart was the touch from all the sunlight of our past. But she's so sweet, she's so pretty. Does she mean you forgot about me? I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go to find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. And do you tell her she's the most beautiful girl you've ever seen? And eternal love bullshit, you know you never mean. Remember when I believed, read it when you said it first to me. And now I'm picking her apart. I cutting her down, gonna make you miss my wretched heart. She's beautiful, she looks kind, she probably gives you butterfly. I hope you're happy, but not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go to find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy. I wish you all the best, really. So you love your baby, not like you love me. Think of me fondly when your hands around her. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Spider. I hope you're happy, just not like how you were with me. I'm selfish, I know. I can't let you go to find someone great, but don't find no one better. I hope you're happy, but don't be happier. Si sad naman. Thank you. Okay, next song is especially for you, request by Angie. Si Angie na napaka-pogi. Thank you. Vampy and the boss. Thank you so much, Cassie. Especially for you, I wanna let you know that I was going through all the time we were apart. I thought of you. You were in my heart, but love never changed. I still feel the same, especially for you. I wanna heal a feeling that way too. Thank you. Dreams were wings and all would have flown to you, to be where you are, no matter how far. Now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and the sorrow. I've gotta say it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is especially for you, especially for you. I wanna tell you with all the world to me, how I'm certain that love was meant to be. You changed my life, ooh, you showed me the way. And now that I'm next to you, I've been long enough to find you. I wanna pull the hurt and behind you. I wanna bring out all the love inside you. Oh, and now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is especially for you. Ooh. Thank you, Django. Para sa mga special. Hendrik. You were in my heart, my love never changed. And now that I'm next to you, no more dreaming about tomorrow. Forget the loneliness and the sorrow. I've gotta say it's all because of you. And now we're back together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is especially oh together, together. I wanna show you my heart is oh so true, and all the love I had is especially for you. Thank you kay Kuya Rox. Thank you so much, Angie. Guys, I think 30 minutes na lang mag-end na ako. Okay lang. 1 a.m. Ano dyan ko nakanta ko na? Ano pa? Baka may iba pa. He brought the clouds to my day. Then like the ray of light, you come up there's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you went down on the limb. And you're all that is not. Just look what I've got, 'cause you got it all. Woo! Over here. Alexis. Oh, don't let him worry your soul. Once I met you, I let go. Oh, you can surely see you're so much more to me. Just one look and I knew, I think you would make everything clear. Make all the clouds disappear. You're better than all the rest. Who do I love the best? Don't you know, don't you know, you got it all over him. You got me over him, honey, true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you went out on the limb. And you're all that is not. Just look what I've got, 'cause you got it all we need. Over here. Woo. Honey, it's true. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing me call you went out on the limb. You got it all over here. Thank you, Miss Kat. Rainier, thank you, Beb. There's just you. You must have been heaven sent. Hearing the call, you went out on the limb. Thank you, Ren. And you're all that is not. Just look what I've got, 'cause you got it all over here. Thank you, Rania. Elmer, thank you, Miss Kat. Rini, maraming salamat po. Guys, 1 AM mag-i-end na po ako. Thank you talaga sa pagsama sa akin today. Ay, sorry. Ay, yung true colors pala. Wait lang, sorry. Kalimutan ko, sorry naman. True colors. Sana alam ko to. Para feeling ko di ko